Hello everybody again. This video is to explain the views, how to draw the views of the second piece of the Cube Soma. The second piece is the gray one. And well, if we want to center the views, you know that we have to do some mathematical operations. So if I consider the front in this part, but you know that you can choose which is the view front that you want. I choose this, but could be another one. But if you choose this view as front view, the other ones must be this side and this the plan, okay? So if this is the front, I see this square, and this square. So the length of the base is 20 plus 20. So to center the figure, you know that this space is 90 millimeters and 20 plus 20 is 40 millimeters. So 90 millimeters less 40 millimeters is 50 millimeters. And as we want to leave the same space in both sides, we have to divide by 2, 50 millimeters, and the result is 25 millimeters. So you know that we have to do some lines to help us to center the figures. So this is 25 on the bottom and 25 on the top. And we are going to join with a very soft line. Okay? And now, as I know that this is 20 and this is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40. So I'm going to mark 20 millimeters. Here I can, well, no, like this, 20 millimeters. I have 40 millimeters and 40 millimeters. And now join these two parts. And we have the center of this rectangle. So now we know that the height of this figure, this piece, is 20 plus 20, so in total 40. If I know that this is 123, but as sometimes it's difficult to do mathematical operations or to measure with decimals, we are going to choose that is 120, 12 centimeters. So 120 less 40 millimeters, the result is 80 millimeters. This is the space that we don't use. So to leave the same space here and here, we have to divide by 2. So the result is 40 millimeters. So I'm going to mark 40 millimeters here and 40 millimeters here. And I'm going to join these two marks. So I'm going to mark now 20 millimeters, that is the side of a square, and 20 millimeters, the side of the other square, and I'm going to do the same to the other side. 20 and 20, and I'm going to join these two marks. And now I know that one square is 20 and the other 20, and I'm going to do the same on the top. And I'm going to join these two marks. This is the lines that I'm going to, they are going to help me to draw the front view. So this one square, another, and another. So I'm going to mark these squares. a little bit stronger with the pencil. And well, I have the first view. This square is that, this square is that, and this square is that, okay? So the front view is already done. So I'm going to do the side view. What I see from the side view? From the side view, I see this square, and this square, okay? So you know that this is 20 and this is 20, so it's the same as the other view, and the height is 20 and 20, so the same height. So the operations are the same. I'm going to use the set square because I would like to draw some straight lines from this view. So I'm going to this part to put on a straight line, and when everything is okay, I'm going to do a line, because you know that the views must be on the same level. So as I said before, we have to leave 25 millimeters in both sides and 40 millimeters from the bottom. So I'm going to do the same. So here I'm going to mark 25 and 25. Now 20 and 20, because there are two squares, and here the same, 20 and 20. And now I'm going to join these marks in order to do these lines that are going to help me to draw better the view. So we have to do this square, and this square. And now a little bit stronger with the pencil, I'm going to draw it. So you can notice that this square is that, this square is not that, and this square is that. Okay, and now we are going to draw the plan side. So I'm going to use again the set square to try to do some lines in order to draw the plan side, the plan view, in the same level of the front. You know, the front side, the front view is the most important because it's the commander of the others. Okay, so what I see from the plan. From the plan I see this part, this, and this. Okay, and this is 20, and this is 20, and this is 20, and this is 20. So always are 20. So always is the same. So the same operations. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is to mark 40. From here to here there is 40 millimeters. So from here to here I'm going to mark the same 40 millimeters. I'm going to join these two marks, and after that I'm going to mark 20 and 20, and the same on the other side, 20 and 20, and I'm going to join these marks. And now I'm going to draw this view. So that is so this square is that, this square is that, and this square is that. So now we have the three views of this piece, and the thing that we have to do is erase these lines that help us to draw in the center and in the same level the different views of the piece. Don't worry if you don't erase perfectly, because after to go over with felty pens, you can erase better. Now it's just to see the final result, to see better the three views of this piece. And this is the final result. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Bye bye.